Hello everyone, today, I'm Walt. Here we are with basically a little kind of video I wanted to kind of do a little bit of freeform thinking all about boredom, okay, and the different types of boredom. So a lot of people when they're bored, it's because they're not, excited about something new, about something big. Even if what they're doing can be exciting work overall, I think that there are just parts of our life where we feel bored with stuff, where we're just like, I want that big thing, like this big change. I want this huge kind of thing. Because so much of our society pitches to us this whole idea of monumental change, building overnight. It's like, montage movies where we go from somebody like, say a basketball movie, for example. You have people who are starting out who are no good, and then we see them playing, basketball like all day and night and doing all these drills and pushing themselves and stuff like that. And we kind of get this montage idea of if we want to change our lives, it has to be something big. It has to be something, right overnight. And that's just not at all the case. I mean, so much of changing your life, transforming everything, as I've done several series on that on this channel here. Basically, a lot of things, when it really comes down to it, are about small changes. And we don't really get excited enough about small changes, but small changes are really everything. And if you can hype up and see the excitement in small changes, it will make a massive difference in your life. And I think that that's really a source of that kind of boredom, where we feel like what I'm doing is not excited, is because the fearful emotions are trying to get to us, trying to stop us from continuing to accomplish, Because a lot of the things we continue to accomplish are going to take work, but they're not pushing the edge, They don't feel like the most exciting stuff. But that's okay, because you want to be able to grow into success, and you can't grow into success if you quit part of the way there. So driving through some of this kind of stuff is important, and it's important just to do that, basically. Anyway, that's about it for my video on that kind of boredom. I think it relates to a few other videos I may give you guys a link to and such, but yeah. Anyway, check out the other stuff on this channel, the Enlightened Life series, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.